Hello, this is Miss Mansky coming to you with this week's first mini lesson. Hope you had a good weekend and that you are off to a good start with your digital learning for this week. Today we are going to be talking about informational text and summary, so changing it up a little bit from what we talked about last week with inferences. So first, here we have several different sentences. So what we want to think about is how do these sentences relate to each other? So we've got frogs. Many types of frogs are poisonous. The golden poison dart frog, an endangered species, is the most deadly frog in the world. The corroboree frog, found in Australia, produces its own poison. And the red-backed poison frog is smaller than your thumbnail, but can still injure humans who touch it. How do these relate to each other? So you may have noticed that one sentence only shows one word. One sentence gives a little more information about that word. And then three sentences are longer and provide a lot of details. So it talks about the golden dart frog and how it's the most deadly frog in the world. These sentences represent a subject, a main idea, and three supporting ideas with key details. When you read an informational text, so a text that is about a nonfiction subject, you need to identify what the text is mostly about, as well as the most important ideas the author wants you to understand and remember about that topic. Um, So, informational text is writing that gives facts about a subject. The subject is what the text is mostly about. The main idea is the subject and what the text says about the subject. And a supporting idea includes facts, reasons, and other details that explain a main idea. Here are these terms organized in a graphic organizer. So, subject is at the top, that's what the text is mostly about. And then the main idea expands on what the subject is. And then the supporting ideas expand on what the main idea is and explain that main idea further. Here is the frogs information outlined in that graphic organizer. So we notice the subject is frogs. The main idea is that many types of frogs are poisonous. And then we have three supporting details explaining this main idea more thoroughly. So what I want you to do for today's exit ticket, there is a multiple choice exit ticket attached to the email with the slideshow. What I want you to do is to complete the exit ticket using the information in the slideshow. And the exit ticket looks like this. So you can see it has the graphic organizer in it. Question one says, what is the subject in the graphic organizer? And I want you to identify which part that's filled in corresponds with the subject. So you can refer back to the PowerPoint to see what this is. Second question says, what are the three supporting ideas in this graphic organizer? And you have to select all that apply. So there's not just one answer, there's three. And for the last question, it says, which sentence best describes the main idea that connects this subject to these supporting ideas? So what you want to do is you want to fill in this section right here. So which of these four sentences best fills in this circle? All right, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out with an email. Thanks and have a good day. Bye.